our morning walk. The snow has melted significantly. I'm so excited, although it is snowing today, but I am now able to walk on the path and not sink, and it's so amazing. I'm so happy, and Howard is happy, and the skies are so blue. And the sunrise this morning, we missed it, but I watched it from my room and it was spectacular. When the weather is like this, the sky has such contrasting colors and so vibrant, it's just breathtaking. But anyways, today's Friday, house cleaning day, organizing day. I am starting my first job as an interior decorator. I'm super excited about that. I'm starting on Tuesday. We have been looking at cars to get me to and from work. And Monday, I am heading to London, Ontario with my sister. We have a gigantic list of things that we need to get through while we're there. Also, on a side note, I met with my orthodontist last night. I am happy with how my eye teeth have turned and they've kind of filled in the gap there, but I am wanting my smile to be like a little bit larger. So as much as I wish this would have been done and dealt with when I had the Invisalign on before, I have also had some issues with like a lot of food getting stuck in my teeth every time I eat. So I know I am going to need some adjustments, and I was aware that that is a possibility, and I almost kind of knew that that was going to happen. But yeah, we talked about pushing my teeth out more, and that would require, because my dentist I'm in Ontario and she is in Vancouver, so that would require me to go out there, which is completely fine. There is some places that I would love to visit and some friends I would love to visit out there. So it's just doing that process and then getting the liners back on and getting my teeth to the optimal place. And I think like when you're making a large investment like I did with my teeth, I do want to be satisfied with them. And yeah, so take this smile in because it's going to be changing. So yes, sorry I cut you off there, but I've come back. Yeah, we have a lot of things that we need to do while we are there, as well as preparing for the new life change that's going to be happening, which, you know what, I'm excited. It is a lot happening at once, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta embrace change, and this is a good change, and I'm super pumped. And I am just going to take in this beautiful day and listen to some Abraham Hicks. Well, it is 1 week into my new job and it is going amazing. And I picked up my car today and I'm going to show you what I've gone with. I am also very sick, so if I sound sick, it is because I'm sick. So I went with a T-bone. This is it.